And I, too, welcome Mr. Clancy. I wanted to raise a little discussion about the 10 people that have successfully climbed over the White House fence. And is there any thought yet about how we're going to repair this problem that keeps happening? Replacement or a different design, or what are your thoughts as you sit here before the Judiciary Committee, sir?
Yes, sir. There's several levels to this, sir. The first is from our own operational standpoint to address what happened on September 19th. We immediately instituted additional training and integrated training between our tactical units and our uniformed division officers, first with a 4-hour block classroom work, and then additionally a 6-hour block out at our Beltsville training facility, where we would do this integrated training so we could do a much better job and not allow what happened on September 19th to occur again. But additionally, there are some other things that we are looking at to include adjusting either the height of the fence or some modification to that fence. And again, we've worked very well with our partners at National Park Services. We've met with them already regarding this concern, and we've also met with we're meeting in the very near future with the National Capital Planning Commission and the Fine Arts Commission. And with those meetings, we think we're going to find some solutions to make it more difficult for people to get over that fence.
Thank you. Now, the Secret Service performs 2 huge missions. One, protecting the President, Vice President, their family, and other dignitaries, but also of investigating crimes against our financial system. And some have raised the question of whether Secret Service should maintain both missions, and question whether the investigative mission reduces the effectiveness of the protective mission. Have you examined these issues yet?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And let me just break it up. Uniform Division, the officers at the White House complex, are strictly there for protection. But on the agent side of the House, we do have a very robust investigative field offices throughout the country. We think that is critical to our mission, our protective mission and our overall mission. But the work that our agents do in the field allows them to build skills from working the streets, doing interviews, situational awareness. Those skills carry over into the protective mode so that you're much more attentive, much more, you pay attention to your details. It helps you with your advance work. There's a direct correlation between the investigative side of the House and the protection side. To include now with these cyber investigations, where we've had great success investigatively, we use a lot of those people in our Critical Protection Systems division, which we use on protective movements. We've used them significantly with our national special security events, so that we see the correlation between the physical security of our sites as well as the cyber security.
Thank you. Let me ask you about the September 19th incident. It revealed numerous problems with radio systems, alarm systems, officer training, physical attributes of the White House grounds, and officer performance. Do you have any way of determining, in your capacity as acting director, whether we have facilities and training to host full-scale drills to test the equipment so that we can be confident that it will not fail us in the future?
Sir, just as an example, with the Beltsville training that we've instituted just recently, again for retraining, we've sent our officers out there for, and we've built a mock-up of the White House grounds. So we have the proper distance from the north fence line to the north portico. But it's a mock-up out at our Beltsville facility. Ideally, in the future, we'd love to have a true replica of the White House so that our dogs can feel comfortable working in the true environment of what the north grounds are like. So that would be a long-term goal, to get a mock-up of the White House at our training facility.
Glad to hear you say that, and I ask unanimous consent that my opening statement be included in the record, Mr. Chairman.
Without objection, I thank the gentleman from Michigan. The chair would now